You want to fix this pop-up message? Your Windows license will expire soon. You need to activate Windows in Settings. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it in just 1 minute. Okay. At first, click on Search on the taskbar. Then type in the command prompt. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Here type in this word as it is. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard. Here you will see a successful message appears. So that means we have stopped the pop-up message. Click on Start and then restart the computer. That's how you can stop the Windows license will expire soon pop-up message. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave comment. Have a nice time.